Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm here at Owen Orchards for a tractor show. Last time I was here, you saw me riding around a vintage snowmobile. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. I'll pop a link in the description. This is one of my favorite places, and we're here in the fall for some apple picking and a tractor show. I'm here with my fiance Kristen. You get to see her weigh in on a couple tractors. It's a beautiful day out, and hope you enjoy. Thank you. Please like the video, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. So I don't know if that mower is supposed to be part of it, but I'm gonna film it.
I mean, it's a tractor, no?
It's a mower.
It's a tractor.
Oliver, a couple Olivers. I'm wondering if one or both of these belongs to the orchard because they have a bunch of old Olivers. They're pretty nice.
How do you even get up on there?
Climb on the back,
Oh.
like back here, like my tractor. Yeah, you just kind of shimmy up the back. It's not, I guess you could slide from go from the front too. It's not comfortable like a modern tractor would be, but
I don't know how I feel about the tires being almost as tall as I am.
I mean, it's not insulting to you. It's just you're tall. Custom Ford here with a flathead V8. That's pretty cool. Little Cub Cadet looks like it's set up for pulling.
Lloyd's right down there somewhere.
Another old Oliver. That's really old. I'm not sure. That's probably 30s or 40s. Got some Fords here. It's interesting. I don't know if I've ever seen one with fenders on the front. It's like a 8N. Just realized I skipped over this other Oliver here. Then we'll give you another look at this Cub Cadet pulling tractor. So, yeah, pretty neat. These old Olivers are cool too, though. I wouldn't mind one. I just don't know what parts availability and that kind of thing are like on these. Kind of looking to get more into like a Farmall or a John Deere, something more mainstream. Get some John Deeres here. Got a John Deere 520, John Deere Model B, a couple of Model Gs. We'll try to get a front shot here. Move up through here. A bunch of old 2-cylinder John Deeres. These old John Deeres are called Johnny Poppers because of the sound they make. They're 2 cylinders. Oh, okay. This is a 504 high crop. This is a pretty unique tractor for sure. I thought it was a 140 because of the style of the grill, but this is a really neat tractor. I would love to see this driving around the orchard. Very similar to the 140s that me and my dad both have. Massey Harris 33. You know I like my Massey Harrises. Another Ford.
I like this dusty gray one.
You like the gray one?
I do. I wish the seat was
Matching?
matching, but I like the dusty
This
gray.
looks like a Ford. Oh, this is a earlier Ford 8N. Similar to the 2N that we have for Cardival Manor.
Is that the original color?
Gray?
The gray?
It's not actually. I don't think that. I think the original color is more like this lighter.
The lighter?
Yeah. For an 8N. An 8N would have been the lighter gray with the red bottom. If it was like a 2N or a 9N, it would be like that darker gray the whole tractor. Another John Deere B. Ford 961 diesel. It's a pretty neat tractor, really. I like that a lot, actually.
Yeah.
No.
This one and then
I don't
this
e-
one looks like scrawny.
It's a narrow front. I don't usually like narrow fronts, but certain tractors just, I think they look good. And you don't see Ford narrow fronts very often. I feel like Ford was most known for like the 8N tractors, but then like the more industrial tractors.
I do like the color.
But that is a very sharp tractor, and it's a diesel too, which is, we love that.
I just really like this gray.
1958. And then we got another Oliver. That's a big one.
Got a cockshut over here.
Yeah, Cockshut's a fun name. I couldn't tell you anything about these.
No?
That's a 1959 diesel. Sold new in the Finger Lakes. That's pretty interesting. But
Is this where I would sit?
yeah, you'd sit on the little homemade rack. What was your favorite one?
Well, I really like the gray.
The Ford.
The Ford Dusty Gray. Wasn't there like a little white one? Is there like a little white one?
What do you mean a little white one? The little Cub Cadet? I do like this. This is nice.
I like the Dusty Gray and I like the red and
Old Massey Harris 33 road crop. We like that. We like that. And then this this high crop here is just a neat tractor for sure. I got a nice Oliver 770 here. They use this one for transporting people up to the apple orchard. Pretty sweet. I was hoping we got to ride this one, but looks like they're using the newer modern tractor, but that is a sweet setup. And then of course Farmall H. I just do like those. It's a good size, really. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not much to it, but just wanted to share for those that may also like tractors.